Hey guys, John here, and in this module I'll be covering how we find profitable products to sell. Now, originally we wrote out this super complex 25-page script, but then I decided to scrap it all and go with a more simple approach. Now, if you've seen our YouTube videos, we've covered quite a lot when it comes to finding winning products. Now, those videos are slightly outdated, and I've come up with a newer approach that will save you both time and give you a higher chance of success. So before I dive into the actual method of finding these products, let's go over a few criteria of what to look for when it comes to a successful product. So number one, you must be able to sell the product for at least 3 times the price you're getting it for. Now, this isn't always the case. You could find success with a 2x profit margin, but in my experience, it's going to be very difficult and I wouldn't really recommend it. And number two, the product has to have a good sales trend. By this, I mean the product is currently selling at least 50 plus units a day. Now, I'll show you exactly how to find this once we get into the actual product discovery method. And honestly, I think that's really the only 2 things I look at these days. Recently, I've just been running anything with good margins, good sales volumes, and either a unique aspect to the product or a product that solves a problem. So I honestly think the key here is if you're a beginner and you don't really have a lot of experience with testing products, then I'd say don't think about the product research too hard, don't stress about it, just pick a product, test it out, get some experience, and keep moving forward. I think the biggest key here to becoming successful is gaining the experience to pick out good products. And the only way to do that is by testing a lot of different products. So if you think a product meets the criteria and you think the product is good, then just give it a shot, try it out real quick, and if it doesn't work, then just keep on moving forward. Alright, so now that you know what the criteria are, let's go into the methods on how I actually discover these products. So there's actually 2 different approaches. I've come up with a free approach and a paid approach. Now, the free approach utilizes free tools to find products, and the paid approach uses a few paid tools to find products. Now, in my opinion, you're going to be able to find winning products using either approach. It's just that the paid approach happens to save you some more time, and it gives you insight into a larger pool of data, which means that you'll have access to finding more winners quicker. However, if you're new to dropshipping, then I definitely don't recommend you to even pay any money when it comes to product research. Just go with the free method, because regardless of if you pay or not, you currently don't really have enough experience to really utilize the paid tools. So get some more experience first before deciding to invest any money into paid tools. Alright, so let me break down how each approach works. The free approach will utilize Ali Dropship Center plus the Facebook search bar and the YouTube search. So with this approach, you're going to be using AliExpress's free built-in Dropship Center, where you can see product trends and look for high volume products that are currently selling very well right now. And then you're going to use the Facebook search bar plus YouTube search to discover competitor videos on your product and then come up with a marketing angle that could work for you. Now with the paid approach, you're going to use Seller Pulse plus AdSpy. Now Seller Pulse is a super underrated tool that I don't really think anyone has talked about. I literally didn't even know about this product until my own supplier told me about it, because apparently all the suppliers in China know about this, but it's not mainstream in dropshipping yet. But basically with Seller Pulse, you get access to a huge database of products where you can sort by daily, weekly, and monthly sales volumes and then discover products that are currently selling like crazy. And then once you find a product, you can go into AdSpy to find competitors and then quickly come up with your own marketing angle. Alright, so now that you guys know the 2 different approaches, let's dive into the actual approach that I'll be showing you in the next 2 videos. Let's go.